What is up, YouTube family? It's the Shoe Bully coming at you with review number 5. Today we got the Air Jordan 13 Altitudes. Go ahead and get into it. We got the silver box. Shouts out to Sheik on these and my boy Matt Vincent. He really looked out on the code for me so I could get these for the low. I got these for like $140. They retailed for $201 after tax, so you know I was happy to get that deal. That was a nice deal. As you may or may not know, this shoe originally released in 2005, and then they retroed it in 2010. They retroed it in 2010 with the 3M material, just like this, on the sides. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it better with the tumble leather on the top, or do you like the 3M material better? Let me know in the comments. As you can see, these mirror the OGs with the tumbled leather. It's really soft on the top. And then you got the 2-3 and the Jumpman on the hologram on the side. You got the lime green Jumpman on the tongue. The tumbled leather on there as well. It's light tumbled. And then you got the Jordan tag. It's also in the altitude green on the bottom of the tongue. And then you got like a snakeskin type leather on the back and then on the sides as well. That was a really nice touch. I like that a lot. The only thing I didn't like about these was the midsole. They went with like a glossy black, and that's pretty much the only place that 13s really crack and crease and look bad. And I didn't like that they brought attention to that with the glossy black, but it is what it is. You got the green, black, and white bottoms with the green and black Jumpman hologram on the bottom. And then you got the carbon fiber on the arch. Quality, I went with a 7 out of 10 on these just because, like I said, that leather is really nice and soft. But there's a lot of glue stains on these. A lot of glue stains. I'm going to get up real close, see if y'all can see that. Like right in here is really bad. There's just glue stains everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, and then the same thing on the other side. Jordan Brand's been really bad about that lately. So I had to give him a 7 out of 10 on quality. But durability, I gave him a 9 out of 10 because this pair right here, I've had this pair for a while now, and I worked in these for about a year. And as you can see, they're still running strong, no heel drag. So yeah, I went with a 9 out of 10 on durability. Comfort, I went with a 10 out of 10 because Jordan 13s are one of the most comfortable Jordans next to Jordan 11s. So I went with a 10 out of 10 on comfort. Versatility, I went with an 8 out of 10 because, I mean, honestly, you could rock these on the court, you could ball in these, or you could wear them out to dinner. You know, it's not too loud of a shoe. They kept it real low key with the green, and I like that. Rockability, I went with a 9 out of 10. Because, you know, that all-black shoe is not that hard to match with anything, really. This shoe could go with a lot of fits. But hype level, I went with a 6 out of 10 because not a lot of people bought these, which you think they would because, you know, it mirrors the OG that released in 2005. But, you know, not a lot of people bought these. They went on sale. You know, I got them for a deal. But, yeah, definitely more hype for the ones with the 3M on the side. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. I kind of like the 3M myself, but I like that they went with the OG. You know, I like that they're bringing back some of the OG stuff like the higher cut patent on the 11s, you know, stuff like that. But let's go ahead and get into something else that I got in the mail today. Been waiting for these for a while. You won't hear me say this often, but shout out to StockX on these. I got these for $90, which was awesome. You got the Nike Lunar Force 1 duck boot. It's like an Air Force 1 with a lunar line sole. I'm going to do a review on these coming up. I'll let y'all take a look at them. There they are. Really nice shoe. I really like these. I'm gonna definitely have a review coming up on these for y'all. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to check out my website, sneaker.farm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little dinger so you get notifications when I make new videos. And that's it. Peace out, y'all.